Hi there, I'm Emmy, a customer support specialist here at Hatch. If you're having trouble getting your Restore connected to Wi-Fi, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple steps that will hopefully get you on track quickly. Let's get it sorted together. Let's start with the basics. First, try resetting your Wi-Fi router and your Restore 3. Start by unplugging your Restore 3. Then, unplug your router. Place your Restore as close to your router as possible and plug it in. Make sure to give the device a few moments to power on. Then go back into the app and try to register and update your Wi-Fi again. Now check your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and low power mode is turned off. Restore uses Bluetooth during setup, so you want to make sure your phone is fully ready to connect. Let's think about your Wi-Fi setup. Have you recently changed your network name or password? Got a new router? Even small changes like these can cause connection issues. Here's a super important one. Your Restore requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. That's different from a 5 GHz connection. Double check that you have a private Wi-Fi connection, that your router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz connection, and that you have a password set up. If you need help setting up a 2.4 GHz network, or you're not sure about your network's type, we recommend reaching out to your internet service provider for additional information. Make sure everything is up to date. Your phone, the Hatch Sleep app, your router, and your Restore's firmware. You can check for firmware updates right in the Hatch Sleep app. If prompted to update, go through the steps on your phone and allow your device to update. If you don't see anything like this, your device should be up to date. Still no luck? Try this workaround that some of our members found helpful. Depending on your mobile plan, you might be able to connect using your phone's personal hotspot. Just make sure maximum compatibility is turned on in your phone settings before attempting to connect. This can help you get through setup and confirm your device is working, or it can work on a temporary basis if you're not near your usual home Wi-Fi. If you're using a shared Wi-Fi network like a dorm, hotel, or an apartment, it might not work with your Restore, especially if it requires a login through a browser. A travel router can help with this by creating a private 2.4 GHz network just for your device. Once it's set up, keep it plugged in so your Restore connects reliably. You've got this. Wi-Fi troubleshooting can be tricky, but we're here to help every step of the way. If you need more support, reach out to us at any time at hatch.co/support, or check out the links in the description for more help.